I'm Captain Starlight, and welcome to another Cooking with Captains! Today, I'm attempting to make Earth food that's so fun and easy that big people, little people, and even captains can make it. But before we get started, here's a special word from Nana Starlight.
Dolphins sleep with one eye open. I don't know which one though.
No, Nana, I mean the other message.
Oh yes, sorry. Cooking in the kitchen can be fun, but always make sure you have an adult to help you.
Wise words, Nana. Today, we're making Earth cookies. We are about to become giant intergalactic planet eaters, and Earth is going to taste super delicious. Here's what you'll need. Sugar cookie mix, egg, butter, blue and green colour dye. And we're going to be baking today too. So make sure you have some bowls, baking trays, paper, and an adult around who can help you with the tricky baking steps. Step 1. Ask your adult to pretty please preheat the oven to 190 degrees Celsius. Don't worry, you get to do the fun stuff and make the delicious dough. Step 2. Pour your cookie mix into your mixing bowl. Add the egg and butter. For 500 grams of cookie mix, use 1 egg and 80 grams of butter. We aren't cooking omelette cookies here. Step 3. Time to stir all of the mixture in the bowl together until you've made your cookie dough. It should look a little bit like this. Step 4. Separate your dough into 2 different bowls. We're going to make one of the bowls the earth and the other the sea. Did you know the sea makes up 70% of the planet? I'm not going to put 70% into one bowl because we are cooking here and not mathsing. Step 5. Add the colour dye. Step 6. Take chunks of both the green and blue cookie dough and roll them together. I'm doing mine without thinking, but feel free to get geographical with your design. Maybe you could make the shape of Australia. Step 7. Place all of the planets you have rolled together onto the baking tray and have your adult place in the oven for 8 to 9 minutes. Nana, could you give us a hand, please?
Oh, I have more than one helpful hand, dearie. I won Planet Starlight's greatest bake-off 3 years in a row.
Good one, Nana. While you wait for your food to cook, why not check out more of our videos on YouTube? I quite literally feel on top of the world with how these cookies turned out. Be sure to share them around.
Oh dear, Captain Starlight, I asked you to visit the good kiddies down on planet Earth, not shrink them. Hang on, why do I smell cookies?
Oh, Nana, don't you remember? We baked Earth cookies on today's episode. Have a try.
I don't mind if I do.
Thanks for cooking along with me today. Be sure to tune in for more episodes of Cooking with Captains coming up soon.